Hi students, welcome to our English class. Today let us start our first unit. It is about humor. Humor means humor. Do you know the meaning of humor? Humor means the quality of being amusing or comic. Humor means the quality of being amusing or comic. In Telugu we call the meaning is humor means hasyam. Humor means hasyam. Once look at this image in your textbook. See, what do you observe in this image? Here is a lion. What is it doing? It is looking its reflection in the well. It is looking into the well. So, is it happy or what is the facial expression of that lion? It is very angry. It is very angry. Do you know the reason behind its anger? Do you know? I will tell. Because this lion is the king of this forest. When that lion looking into the well, it saw its own reflection, but it doesn't know that it is its own reflection. It feels that there is another lion in the well. So, it fiercely looking into the shadow of its own and feels that it is another lion. So, that's why it is very angry. So, this is about this lion. This is about this picture. Did you observe any animal looking into the mirror? Have you ever observed any animal? Generally, we observe cats, dogs looking into the mirror. If you have any pet animals, you can observe. If it sees mirror for the first time, did you observe what it do? What did they do? Actually, whatever it may be, whether it is a cat or dog, immediately it runs to the mirror and immediately scratches that mirror. And again it goes move front and back and again scratches it. So like that it makes us funny. So because for the first time if they see them in the mirror, they don't know that it is their own reflection. They feel that there is another animal like it and behaving like the same as they are doing. So like that, by seeing the snake on the mirror, you can easily observe that if a snake looking into the mirror, can you imagine what would it do? Have you ever touched any snake? Have you ever touched any snake? So let us imagine if a snake look into the mirror, what will happen? So in this lesson, we will learn what the snake did when it looked into the mirror. Actually, this lesson in this unit, humor, we have 3 readings. First reading is the snake and the mirror. The second one is the duck and the kangaroo. The duck and the kangaroo. And the third reading is Little Bobby. Little Bobby. These are the 3 readings that we are going to cover in this unit 1, humor. First one, the snake and the mirror. Second one, the duck and the kangaroo. Third one, Little Bobby. So let us learn first about the snake and the mirror. I think the first lesson is about humor. You can enjoy all the 3 readings. The lesson, the story, The Snake and the Mirror was written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. The Snake and the Mirror story was written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. He was a Kerala writer, Malayalam writer from Kerala. He was born in the year 1908 and he died in the year 1994. He was a famous fiction writer, Malayalam fiction writer. Fiction writer. Here fiction means they are imaginary stories. They are not real stories, imaginary stories. He was famous in writing fiction stories. So next, he was a great freedom fighter. He was a great freedom fighter, humanist, novelist, and short story writer. Short story writer. And he also got Padma Shri Award. He also got Padma Shri Award in the year 1982 for his writings. So, The Snake and the Mirror was written by Vaiko Muhammad Bashir. He was born in the year 1908, died in the year 1994. He was a famous Malayalam fiction writer and he was a famous freedom fighter, humanist, novelist, short story writer, and he also got Padma Shri Award in the year 1982 for his writings. This story was written in Malayalam and later it was translated into English by B. Abdullah. It was translated into English by whom? B. Abdullah. Now let us learn the story about this. Actually, this lesson is a narrative within narrative. A narrative within a narrative. A narrative within a narrative means actually there was a homeopathy doctor. A homeopathy doctor narrated this story to this writer, and again this writer wrote that story in the form of a lesson. That means a narrative within a narrative means already ఒక స్టోరీ ఒక హోమియోపతి డాక్టర్ ఈ రైటర్కి ఈ లెసన్ రాసిన రైటర్కి తన స్టోరీ ఒక సిచ్యుయేషన్ తన లైఫ్లో జరిగిన ఒక సిచ్యుయేషన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే ఆ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన సిచ్యుయేషన్ని అగైన్ హీ రోట్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లెసన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎ నెరేటివ్ విత్ ఇన్ ఎ నెరేటివ్. సో as we see the title, The Snake and the Mirror, the title itself says the snake and the mirror, these two are the major characters, major important things in this lesson. So actually when we see a snake, we feel frightened, right? Or we feel frightened or we play with it. We feel frightened. But even in that frightened situation also, was written in a humorous way. So that in this lesson there is frightened, at the same time humor also there, and at the end there was a surprise also. At the end there was a surprise also. Actually, a homeopathy doctor was living in a small room. In that room he was confronted with a snake, and he suddenly fell on his shoulders. Unfortunately, that snake looked into the mirror. By looking into the mirror, it was attracted to it, and I think as we all looking into the mirror and attracted to it, that was also attracted to it and started ignoring that boy, that homeopathy doctor, so that the life of the doctor was saved. So let us learn what are the situations that the doctor confronted and how the snake fallen on him and how it was diverted from him and attracted to the mirror.